sexy is this dress? And welcome to another vlog of What's Up Ravina. In today's vlog, I am taking you guys from London to Bicester Village, which is the most famous luxury shopping center here in UK. I'll try to cover as much deals for you guys as much possible. So stay tuned, watch till the end. And good thing is my brother lives in Bicester, so we will be staying overnight. So no rush of coming back to London. So it's going to be a full day of shopping vlog. Stay tuned. Bicester Village. Basically my brother lives here, तो अभी उसके घर चलते हैं, फिर वहाँ से चलेंगे शॉपिंग. एंड आशर इज स्लीपिंग. जब भी कहीं जब पहुँचने वाले होते हैं ना तब सोता है ये. Yay, you can do it.
Jump. One more time. One more time. Jump, jump.
Hi, hi. कैसे खुलेगा ये? यहाँ देख कितनी ठंड है बेबी. Hello, Boomy. Hello. Already? Oh my god.
Toys for you.
Yay. We also got something for you.
Look.
Dono, this is for you. ये green वाला.
This?
Yes. And this is for you.
Thank you. Wow.
This is Christmas came early to you guys.
Thank you.
Very nice house. Quick tour ले लूँ क्या? So finally we have entered Bicester Village and you can see all the big brands already, Swarovski and whatnot. But first fight is to get the parking. Basically 2-3-4 rounds मारने पड़ेंगे to make sure you get the parking spot. People keep going and coming, so I would say don't give up even though it says full, but you still get some parking. Because Black Friday is very near, it's very crowded, so be prepared. Plan accordingly, and I would say a full day is recommended if you want to check out each and every brand. Finally, we have entered Bicester Village. This place never feels old. The moment you walk in, it feels like stepping into a little luxury bubble. Calm, pretty, and dangerously tempting for the wallet. Store I wanted to go is Tory Burch because मुझे Tory Burch का एक बैग लेना था. So let's go and जल्दी से आपको डील्स भी दिखा दूँगी क्या ऑफर्स चल रहे हैं. Basic sling bags in Tory Burch start from £99 here in Bicester, and for £179, look at this. I mean, the offers here, flat prices specifically, are really good. The bag I'm checking right now is $479, and it was an offer going on, like if you buy one it's 20%, and then if you buy 2 products from Tory Burch you get 20% off. And here is the beauty. I love this bag. I mean, it's the color of the season and just perfect. I loved everything about this bag. Do comment how did you like this one. Some very beautiful dresses out here, specifically if you have a birthday or a party coming. I really loved this one.
This is £1,800.
Alrighty.
Okay, one tip I want to tell you, in Bicester Village in Tory Burch, you will get flat prices. Like some bags are flat 179, flat 99. Similar thing is with shoes. And then there is also an offer going on the total price. Like if you buy £250 plus, you get 20%, and if you buy £450 plus, you get 30% off. That's crazy, crazy offers, guys. I got these cute footwears and a bag from Tory Burch, and I really got a nice offer because if you purchase for 500 plus, you get 30% off, and that's what I got today. And this is the bag I bought, which I was just showing in the video. I really loved it. Do let me know how do you find my shopping from Tory Burch, and let's quickly move on. Next store is Valentino, which is just opposite Tory Burch, and we got not much offers going on here. Basically, one product for 10% off, and if you buy two, you get 20. Girls, if you're after good heels, Valentino is the place. Such pretty heels for just £500. Look at this one. This is so gorgeous. How sexy is this dress? These designer dresses were around 15 to 1800 pounds range. It's such gorgeous vibe in Bicester, and the decorations, lighting, and they even do artificial snowing, and oh my god, the vibe. Here I was missing Asher. Asher is with Mamu and Mami, and while we are shopping carefree. Now this is the muffler which I really want to get after watching the video. You know, that's the benefit of making vlogs. Some stuff you don't notice there, but when you re-watch the videos, you really like it. Some brands in Bicester have very limited stock. For example, this one. Very few bags and very old collection, I would say. Sandro hai, Barber hai. Oh, yes, of course. Let's go. I own Carolina Herrera's Good Girl perfume, but I didn't know that they do bags as well, and really good quality bags. And this one, the one I was just holding, it's retailing for £750 here in Bicester. I'm sure it is way more expensive if you go to central London and stuff.
This one is, and the award goes to 775.
Rituals also had amazing offers here in Bicester. They had, some of their lineups were at 30%, some of them were at 10%, 20%, depending on the fragrances. And they also were doing their advent calendars. Like this one had everything, from body wash to body scrub, blah, blah, blah. And it was just retailing, the entire beauty box was just retailing for 89 some pounds. So definitely some good deals here. But unfortunately here in Rituals, we loved the fragrance which was at the least discount. Basically उस पे सिर्फ 10% discount था जो हमें पसंद आया. But it was so gorgeous smell that we just could not leave it. I will just reveal it. So keep watching. I will show all the things I have bought in this video, तो end तक ज़रूर देखना. Got this bigger diffuser, Precious Amber fragrance, and oh my god, it was so delicious. And this one we got just 10% off, so yeah.
I like this.
What? Wow. This is very nice.
This is awesome heel, yeah.
Show me.
Awesome heel. Best heel I've seen today.
How much is it?
Sorry.
Achhi hai.
This is
I like the red ones.
490 only, mama.
Achha.
And then you
Very nice heel options in Versace as well, but unfortunately we didn't get the size. So that's another thing, because Bicester Village, the good things, they get picked up very soon. So you don't get sizes sometimes, and the stock is also not the latest. To all the Charlotte Tilbury fans, there is a store of Charlotte Tilbury now in Bicester, so you get many offers there. I got some beauty products from Charlotte Tilbury, but this mascara is my all-time favorite. If you haven't tried it, do try. It's amazing, guys. Then there is also cosmetic company store where you get Estee Lauder, MAC, Clinique, all these brands. It's the first time I will be buying skincare from Clarins, but the offer is too tempting to say no. I mean, for 69 something, I'm getting day cream, night cream, a serum to try, and a beautiful bag as well. And you know, in Bicester, they are doing extra 20% off on all the prices you get normally in the retail store, so that's a win-win. This is what I bought home, and I really loved the bag. Next we went to Diesel, and Diesel had some amazing offers going on, and we really loved couple of dresses, so I thought let's quickly try and pick. And I bought this black dress from Diesel. This one I paid 119 for it. We are also looking for a nice puffer for Himanshu for this winter. Let's see if we can find it. I really like this blue puffer from Lacoste, but Himanshu didn't like the fit of it. This one retails for 230 plus additional 20% off was going on, so definitely good deals here in Lacoste. This is looking so good on Himanshu, and this one was retailing for flat 40 pounds. So definitely check out this store if you are here in Bicester. Now let's quickly explore Jimmy Choo. Jimmy Choo is very famous for footwears. So let's check out the heels and also their prices. Girls, if you're looking for party wear shoes, party wear footwears, I will highly suggest Jimmy Choo. The prices are so good and the designs, classiness, I love the heels. I mean, today I didn't feel like buying heels because in London it's very, hard to wear heels. So I am skipping it for now, but really a good place to buy. There are just too many brands, guys, here, so you have to plan well in advance which brands you want to hit when you come to Bicester, because it's not humanly possible to go to each and every brand present here. We are now heading to Marc Jacobs, and oh my god, the deals here in Marc Jacobs are worth mentioning. I mean, these bags are just retailing for 99 pounds.
these are all 199, 169, 219, big ones.
219 only. इसमें लैपटॉप भी आ जाएगा?
Yeah, it's a proper laptop bag. The same as the one that we.
Wow.
It's too big for that.
ये बीच में स्किन है ना लैपटॉप के.
Yes.
This is a laptop bag, Marc Jacobs, just 219.
This row is 169.
This is
This
169.
is 199.
199.
The weight is different with these two. This one is coming with two straps.
I really like these small cute bags, but I already own a Marc Jacob and it's gorgeous, so I didn't want to repeat the brand. But do let me know which color is your favorite in the comments. And finally, we are at Coach. I already have quite a few bags from Coach, so I am not, interested in buying. But this store has lovely collection and lovely prices.
This is 239. Retails for 375. इसमें भी ये कलर भी है.
In Coach also you get the flat prices bags. I mean, these are just retailing for 169. मुझे ना कोच का ये वाला लैपटॉप बैग भी पसंद है, ये वाला जैसे ब्लैक. Next up we are going to MK. Again, some flat prices deals. For example, this one is retailing for 209. But to be honest, I was not interested in MK bags. But just for you, I'm shooting this. This is 139 pounds. And this one here is 229 pounds. So if you are into MK bags, you will get really nice deals here in Bicester. I mean, these beauties just 169. We really liked this black dress from MK, but unfortunately by this time I was too tired to try and I did not want to buy without trying, so just left it. I tried this MK puffer, although I am looking for a puffer with a hoodie, but the comfort level, like, it is so comfortable. That's what I was just telling Himanshu, that oh my god, it's so light in weight yet so cozy. So and the prices were also good, like 150 pounds and extra 20% stuff like that. So definitely good offers on puffers. I think MK does a very good job with men clothing. I mean, look at this tracksuit. They're retailing for just 129 pounds, and the quality and the feels are really good. Special offers on this one?
Extra 20.
Extra 20. Himanshu got this puffer and oh my god, it was looking so nice on him, and I loved the branding on the hood. I'll just show you. And we were laughing because the prices astonished us. It's crazy deals going on here. MK shoes had amazing offers going on. Like, look at these shoes. They're just retailing for 89 to 99 pounds. Yeah, I mean, if you want to buy MK shoes, great deals here in Bicester.
Prada. Finally, almost there. It's usually queue, but now it's empty.
सही है ना टोरी बर्ड्स पे जाना.
Shoes भी हैं ऊपर. I like it. Baby, this is 312 only.
यार ये री एडिशन है 1999 का वापस लेके आया.
अच्छा ये देखें.
I love this classy pair of shoes here in Prada. And guys, if you want Prada shoes, I think you can definitely come to Bicester Village. Prices are amazing. You get shoes starting from £300 here. And after this, guys, I left my phone here in Prada and went out. मैं अपना फ़ोन भूल गई, दैट टू 17 Pro Max Cosmic Orange. एंड टॉरी बर्ड्स में बिलिंग कराते हुए मुझे एकदम से याद आया कि मेरा फ़ोन नहीं है. मैं भागी प्राडा.
मेरा फ़ोन गुम हो जाता है यार. मैं प्राडा में फ़ोन भूल आई थी. But I got it back.
That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this shopping vlog. And if you want to know something about Bicester, do comment below.